We're going to be looking at the past progressive for the past continuous with the simple past. Okay, let's look at the meaning and the uses of both the simple past, the past progressive, and both of them together. So, starting off with the simple past. The simple past is used for completed actions or past habits. For example, we look at this, all of these little X's are tests that she took, and she always passed her test. That was a past habit. They can also be for completed actions. For example, she passed the test. Not many tests, just a single test. Okay, and that was enough. And that's a completed action right there. We use the past continuous for actions continuing at a specific time. For example, yesterday. Yesterday she was studying hard. Here the specific time was yesterday. We also use the past continuous for temporary actions. So yesterday she was studying hard. She passed her test. She took a break. Was she studying hard after she passed the test? No, she took a break. Moving forward now, we use the past progressive for an ongoing past event that occurred until another past event interrupted it, okay, or stopped it. For the interrupting event, we use the simple past. For example, when the police stopped him, okay, the police stopped him. When the police stopped him, okay. For the temporary event, we use the past progressive, okay. He was driving fast when the police stopped him, okay. So, was he still driving fast after the police stopped him? No, because he was stopped. He got a ticket. No more driving fast, driving slow with a ticket, but driving slow. Okay, moving forward now, let's look at the past progressive or the past continuous with the simple past. We're going to be looking at the forms of both. The simple past. Okay, she passed the test. For the simple past, we use the past tense form of a verb, pass, passed with ed. That's a regular past tense verb. Irregular past tense verbs, drink, drank, swim, swam, put, drive, drove. But here I'm showing you ed. For the past continuous, okay, again, the interrupted temporary action, we use a past form of the be auxiliary. So be, was, were. Okay, here we use was. She was studying, was. We also use the present participle form of a verb. So verb plus ing. Study, studying. She was studying. Okay, now, when and while. We use when with the interrupting simple past. He was smoking every day when he quit. Okay, when he quit. Quit is the irregular simple past. We use while with the temporary past continuous. It started to rain while he was practicing. Okay, did he practice after it rained? No, he went inside. Okay, moving forward now. Comma. There are rules about when we use a comma and when we don't. Okay, if when or while start the sentence, then use a comma. For example, when he quit, comma, he was smoking every day. If when or while do not start the sentence, then don't use a comma. Okay, for example, it started to rain, no comma, while he was practicing. Okay, a quick summary. The simple past meaning, use simple past for completed actions or past habits. For the past continuous, use the past continuous for actions continuing at a specific time and for temporary actions. For the past continuous and simple past, remember the past progressive is used for an ongoing past event that is temporary, okay? And the simple past is used for the interrupting event, the event that stops the past progressive action. Regarding the form, for the simple past, we use the past tense form of a verb, passed, drink, drove, drive, drove, drink, drank. For the past continuous, we use the past form of the be auxiliary, so be, was, were. For the present participle, study, studying, so was, were, verb plus ing. For the past continuous simple past, remember that when or while, if when or while start the sentence, we use a comma. we use when with the interrupting simple past and while with the temporary past continuous. I hope that you enjoyed this quick presentation. If you have any thoughts, questions, or concerns, please email me, and I look forward to seeing you in class.